Today is May 24th, 2005. It's currently 2:21 p.m. here in Tipton, Oklahoma. We have a severe weather setup for today. As you can see here in Tillman County, we got 5,500 Cape of instability. But today we're going to be focusing on the northwestern half of the state. Currently over northwestern Oklahoma, you see there's about 2,500 to about 3,000 Cape of instability. It's currently capped, but do expect that cap to break throughout the day. Instability right down here should also rise a little bit into the northern part of the state. When we look at effective bulk shear, you can see we have pretty good shear, 45 knots to 50 knots throughout that northwest sector. So that's really looking good for severe weather potential, as well as straight line winds and tornadoes. Now here is a sounding done at 18Z out of Lehman, Oklahoma, I believe it is. As you can see, we have about 800 Cape. Again, this was 18Z though, so a lot has changed. But really looking good on the sounding. You can see the environment is pretty supportive of discrete supercells. We do have a veering profile. And then we also have low LCLs, low, really cloud bases in general. We have a somewhat good WBZ, so could also see some large hail. And yeah, very strong effective shear in this sounding. So could be a really good day today. And here is the HRRR. The HRRR all throughout the morning has been extremely consistent, with storms forming in northwestern Oklahoma after 7 and moving southeast into the metro around Grady, Cleveland, McLean counties throughout the night. So going to track these storms southeast into the metro most likely. Thinking about setting up north of Custer County. So this is Custer. I believe this is Dewey County, just north of there. Gonna set up somewhere around there because it's been really consistent with storm initiation around that area. So waiting on storms to initiate in Arapahoe, Oklahoma. Look at what we just found.
Not ready?
Dude, that's so badass. Time is 6:07 p.m. just north of Arapahoe, Oklahoma, where we await a storm initiation. Currently we do have some cumulus in the sky, so we'll see if it does anything. Time is 8:20 p.m. on May 24th, 2025, just south of Putnam, Oklahoma. We have a thunderstorm here just to our north going up pretty rapidly. The low-level jet has yet to kick in, should start kicking in after nighttime. Time is currently 9:54 p.m. We are looking directly northwest into a tornadic supercell just east of Strong City, Oklahoma. Cannot see any type of lowering at this point. It is coming right at us, so I believe this again might be high precipitation. No, you're good. Just let me know if you see anything in those exposures. Time is 10 p.m. Rotation is now about 6 miles from us. A new updraft is developing on the west side. However, we're kind of noticing a general dying out phase with the storm. There is another storm to our east near Watonga, and we're going to go blast eastward to try and catch it. Time is now 11:30 p.m. on May 24th, 2025. Storm near Watonga has started to regress quite a bit. Storms tonight just have struggled to get going. I wonder if part of that is due to the cap that is in place. Storms just are struggling to continue to grow with that cap there. But we're going to stop in Watonga and end the chase there and head home.